Hey everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmutov, and today I want to show you a couple of tricks for using cy.filter command. It's a child command, so we need some elements to chain it off. Imagine we have this li elements. If we just get li elements, it returns the list, 5 elements in that list. And let's say we want to find all elements with data price equals to 1. The way we can write this, so it's easy to understand and maintain, is the following. We're gonna get li elements and then we'll filter, and it's a jQuery CSS selector. So we can say, okay, every element with attribute data price equals to 1. If there are no special characters or spaces, you can avoid using double quotes or you can include them. Not fine. What am I doing? Filter. Okay, so we have 5 elements, and if we get all elements with data price attribute, there is just a single element. If we say look for data price 3, then there should be 2. So we can say should have length. One thing that I like is using my Cypress map plugin, which includes should read assertion, and you can just give exact text of elements that you hope to find. So grapes and pears are the 2 elements that we filter using data price. And the filter has, just like scikit, has a built-in existence assertion. So for example, we can find all elements or filter all elements that have data price, doesn't matter what the value is. So in this case, the 4 elements right here have a data price, and it doesn't just have grapes and pears. And notice if a filter yields no elements, it keeps retrying and retrying and retrying. So we can just say should exist. This is the same as the filter. And one thing we can use with filter are pseudo selectors. For example, if we're trying to find all our elements without data price attribute, we can say colon not, and then in parentheses the data price attribute. So in this case, only the last element, potatoes, is returned. And just to kind of finish the existence assertion part, let's say if there are no elements without data price, and you want to confirm that there are no elements, that's the expected thing, you can say should not exist. So you specifically say should not exist in your assertions. All right, for more examples of cy.filter, look at my Cypress example site. It has all examples for the current syntax of cy.filter, plus the callbacks, plus pseudo selectors, and lots more examples of different Cypress commands and assertions.